Hi friends, welcome to the S3 Cloud Hub channel. In this video we are going to see bug lifecycle. Without any further ado, let's start the session. Lifecycle, also known as software development defect lifecycle. Handle and bug has an bug lifecycle, should go through a lifecycle to be the closed error status name may vary depends on the tools in the process. Follow in the organization, but it can be defined as abnormal behavior. A software error is triggered and then a fault is found and ends when the defect is closed after ensure that it is not reproduced. Now, we see different bug states in the bug lifecycle in detail. New. When the tester detects a new status, fault defects published by the tester as the new. Should provide the correct one defective document to the development team reproduces and repair. Assigned. Defects that are in new condition will be a product if valid and assigned to it. Development team by test cable or project leader or project manager. The bug status changes to assigned. If the development team then accepts the bug status will change and the bug status is open. Open. If bug status is open, then it means the development team is starting analyzing and works to eliminate the defect. The next state is fixed, which means when the developer makes the necessary code change and validates the change, and then the status of bug will be changed as fixed and the bug is a positive. Testing team here. The development team changing bug status to test. Test. If the status is test means that the fault is fixed and the field to make a test whether it is fixed or not. Verified. The tester retested the bug after the developer fixed it. If there is no bug detector in the software, then the error is fixed and the status assigned is verified. Closed. After verified the fix, if the error is no more exists, then there will be an bug condition assigned as closed. Sometimes while doing test again, we may encounter the same problem again, which means the bug has not been fixed correct. Now testers change status as reopened. Reopened. If the defect remains same after retest, then tester represent the defect using defect retesting document and change the status to reopen. Again, the bug goes through the lifecycle. Duplicate. The duplicate should be corrected if there is a defect as repeat twice or the fault corresponds. Same concept. Bug status is changed to duplicate by the development team. Deferred. In some cases the bug can be set by the project manager or supervisor. Set the bug status as deferred if an bug was found during the release end and the bug is small. Things are not important to fix immediately. If the bug is not related to current build. If expected to receive fixed in the next release. Customer is thinking about changing the requirement. In such cases the status changes as deferred and will be fixed in next edition. Rejected. If the system is working according to the specifications and bug is just because of some misinterpretation like as referring to old requirements or extra features, then team management or developers can mark such a bug as he rejected some of bug's other states. Can't fixed. Technology not supporting. Veracity of the product issue. Cost of bug repair is not more. Not reproducible. Platform mismatch. Incorrect defect document. Data mismatch. Build mismatch. Inconsistent defects. Need more information. If the developer cannot reproduce the bug by steps provided by tester, then developer can change the status as needed information. In this case, the tester needs add detailed reproduction steps and assign the bug back to the development team for fix. It doesn't happen if the tester writes go to the defective document. So, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. I will see you in the next lecture. If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye. Have a nice day.